And labor gate matter.
See, the labor gate matter which we had filed on June 5th, we had been following up with the Honorable Court of Lokayukta from day one, and we had around 5-6 hearings till date. We had submitted initially 2-3 hearings they avoided. The Labor Department tried to avoid. Then they started asking for time only to delay that, so that they knew that Lokayukta was getting retired on September 17th. But our counsel, senior counsel led by Datta Prasad Lavan and his team, Advocate J. Matthew, they fought it out, and today the hearing is complete. Now, interestingly, if you see the final affidavit which they have submitted, there are a lot of false statements made by the Labor Department. One question is asked to them: what is the registration of from annual contribution from registered workers, collection from registration? They saying not possible to provide data. Second question asked was what was the self-certification scheme and who registered these workers? They mentioned it that workers were registered manually registered by the BOW board, which is again a false statement, because the company LaborNet India Private Limited was a company which registered these laborers from day one from this scheme. Secondly, in last hearing, I think they had submitted as saying that the directions for this scheme had come from central government, which is again a false statement they have made, and because they submitted the few documents in which there was a notification from central union government, which was in the month of July 2019. The money already has been sent to the bank accounts of these fake beneficiaries in the month of March and April. So this clearly shows that BJP government wanted to give the money, which is approximately there is around 270 crores 43 lakhs 273 crores 43 lakhs money which can be utilized for the workers' welfare, but BJP has used the welfare of their workers, so we can term their workers as now BJP laborers. So hearing has been completed today. Now interestingly, one more thing, if you have noticed, Honorable Court had mentioned in the first interim order saying that it has a royal police force of 2 members. Today when we try to investigate this, we can see the name plates outside the cabins. One is a device P, one is a police investigation team. When we found out today from the officials in the Lokayukta, we came to know that there is only one Havaldar and police constable given to the Lokayukta. So this clearly shows that BJP government wanted to defund this Honorable Court of Lokayukta, so that the corruption matters, the cases which have come out, doesn't go to a logical conclusion, because then there is no assistance for the Honorable Lokayukta. But Lokayukta is kind enough to hear the matter. The hearing is over today. Each and every from day one, the false statements have been made by the department. Initially, for the first hearing, the Chief Secretary and the Labour Secretary has clearly stated that in their affidavit, reply saying that this scam has happened, and now they are going to investigate. After giving the money, distributing the money to the workers of BJP workers, there is no point in investigating now. The culprit need to be brought to the task. They are going to be booked. So we have briefed, our lawyers have briefed the Lokayukta today in the final hearing which was held today, and the matter is posted for orders on 9 September.